Hi friends, myself Narmada. Today we are going to see fuzzy grouping transformation in SSIS. Today agenda, what is fuzzy grouping transformation? How we can clean data by using fuzzy grouping transformation. Difference between fuzzy grouping and fuzzy lookup transformation. Fuzzy grouping transformation is nothing but by grouping data we will identify the wrongly typed word and we will correct the correct word. Okay, the fuzzy grouping is nothing but it will identify the wrongly typed word and then we will find out the correct name for the wrongly typed word by grouping data. This is the fuzzy grouping transformation, nothing more. So that's the let me showcase how we can clean data by using fuzzy grouping transformation, right? Let me show you the example. For example, this is our source input. Okay, this is our table. If we see here, right? So you could see country, correct? The country, basically there are three countries we are enter as say India, but only one IND. But Canada, if you see, Canada we just enter three times, but on only one place it's missing. So what it will do, it will group the data within the source. This is the source data, right? For example, I am going to group based on country column, right? So it will group country. So that means it will group Canada. There are three entries, majority of entries likewise, but this is A is missing, correct? So this is the only one place, but this is the majority of places we given as a Canada, but only one places it's A missing. So what fuzzy grouping transformation will think, it will group this data and it will check this one. Okay, this is the only one place it's missing, but majority of words it's like this. So then this could be the correct one. Likewise, it will give the correct output as Canada. For this input, it will give us a Canada as a output. Okay. Likewise, America. So America, if you see, it will group data. Here, if you see instead of C, it's K coming, right? If you see from last, if you see K is there. So then what it will do, okay, majority of words America, it will group the data. Okay, America count is more than its only one places. Okay, it's wrong. So likewise, it will do comparison in between by grouping data and it will identify. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this. By grouping data, it will identify and it will give correct data for us. That is the case. So now, difference between fuzzy grouping and fuzzy lookup transformation. So here, the main difference, what right? So, if you see fuzzy lookup transformation, it needs a reference table to correct the data, right? To find out the wrongly typed word. Basically, it's need source input and also reference table. But if fuzzy grouping is nothing, but we need only the source. Within the source, it will group the data and it will identify the wrongly typed word. Okay, I hope you understand this. And also, the similarity also there in between the fuzzy grouping and lookup transformation. What is the similarity means? It's a blacking transformation. Okay, it will wait until the source reads all data, basically. So that's what it's a blacking transformation because when we are defining fuzzy grouping or fuzzy lookup, it will wait till all the records to get read. Okay, let's begin. Define the data focus, double click this, define the source data. So data what we are going to give, OLEDB shows, correct? Define this and define the connection manager. So this is my connection manager. If you guys want to create new, then click new and select the server name and database name and create new. Okay. I already have connection manager, so I'm just clicking OK. And the table, I'm just using this table. Okay. Columns, if you see the country ID, country name, click OK. Then define the fuzzy grouping transformation. Close the connection from OLEDB source to fuzzy grouping. Double click this. Here guys, note it down. This is the OLEDB connection manager. So whenever you are trying to import data from Excel or CSV or anything, you need the OLEDB connection manager because it will try to create temporary table in the SQL server or write SQL server. So it's need OLEDB connection manager. So now I'm just going to do Fashi based on what? Based on the country column. I just want to compare group data based on country. Then I just want to find out the correct word. So I'm just selecting country. So here match type, I'm just giving Kashi. Okay, this is the output name. So country clean. Okay, then give. So here if you see the Kashi grouping, by default it will generate this are the columns, right? Key in, key output, score and similarity, all things. So the key input, it will give the unique name for the particular for this particular column. Okay, the key output, it's nothing but, so it will give the output like from the key input, whatever we taken as a output, that is the key output columns defined. Score means how much similarity the source input versus target, right? That is the thing. So now you define similarity threshold like 32%. I am just defining 32%. Okay. So then this token delimiters guys, so these are all the delimiters will get ignored while comparing the data. So click OK now. Now define the OLEDB destination. So now the output of fuzzy grouping transformation output, we are just transferring that to destination. Double click this and I'm just creating new table because I don't have it already. I'm just giving name as fuzzy group. Click OK. Now check mapping. If you see, these are all the columns. So the ID and country is directly taken from our input, right? Source input. So the country clean and rest others key in, key out, score, country clean, similarity country. These are all the output from our fuzzy grouping transformation. Okay, the key in, key out, score, the fuzzy after fuzzy group, what is the correct country name, thing and similarity country. Click OK. Now save it. Now run the package. Okay, 12 rows. It got transferred from source to destination. Let's see how the table output. Okay, guys, if you see this ID and country. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this one not. Okay, this entry like this. That's okay. These are all our input and this is our output. Okay, this is our input, these two from our source input. If you see here, this and all fuzzy group transformation provided, rest other columns are provided by fuzzy group transformation output, correct? So the key input is something that it will generate unique value. If you see, let me go order by key in. Okay, guys. So, if you see, this is the unique values provided by fuzzy group transformation, correct? The key output is nothing but based on the key input, it will take the country, right? So, for example, India, it's ignored because it's not giving based on threshold, whatever we define, it's not matching. But Canada, if you see based on 83 percentage variation, right? It's basically repeat the correct word. It given a correct word, correct country clean. So that means if you see here, the 5, 6, 7, 8. So the Kannada is first data read from 5 unique key, right? So then 5 value replaced by output column. So because these are all now unique based on this output. So the minimum one, right? The first one, whatever it read fuzzy group, that will replace to others, right? So for key output columns. So the 5 is a 5 country name that is the output for this rest of the columns. That is the case. For example, America. America we see 9, 10. 9 is the minimum one, then 9 is the first reader America. So then 9 is the output for this as well. So 9 is replaced like this. So here India, if you guys see India, the one it is taken. So the one in output given here. So then here if you see the symbol, exclamatory symbol, it will get ignored. So when while doing fuzzy group, because we define in here let me showcase. Here we just ignoring right the exclamatory, the delimiters all thing. So then it will remove and give us a correct words. Okay. I hope this will understand you better, guys. If you have any doubt, then please comment me and also please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye.